guys, welcome back to my channel here at Amateur Fishing Productions. And I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. It's been a few months, but there's some major upgrades to my I guess fishing possibilities. So the main big thing, this is, in most videos you've probably seen me in this vehicle, this 2009 Silverado. It's been my main tow vehicle for the boat and everything, fishing. The thing is, it's never been mine. It's actually my mom's vehicle, so I don't always have to borrow it. Now it does great, See, the vehicle does great, It has a great towing capacity. It's easy to tow with, it's already pre-wired and everything. So it did good, but it was never mine. So, I always having to borrow it, and if I couldn't borrow it, I really couldn't go fishing. But there is a major change on that. I was able to get me my own vehicle. It's going to be my daily vehicle for work, but it's also going to be my towing vehicle, for fishing. Now, let me show you this. It's not the most traditional thing most people will probably tow with, but I've been loving it. And let me show you. Here it is. This is my vehicle. This is the 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Now, I know most people can say, oh, it's not a real truck, but it completes everything I needed to do. It's a good sized vehicle. It's bigger than my own personal Honda that I had. And it's very comfortable. Nice ride height. And yesterday, where I actually installed, I did install a hitch and everything. Got my wire, my 4-pin for my trailer, and it does have a little bed. But one of the really good things that I do like, it really does have, is right there. You can see it, that little camera. Now it's really great for backing up, especially with that, because you can actually, there's a different angle, so instead of just looking backwards, it looks back, but also down, straight at the hitch. Another thing I do like is that this thing is all-wheel drive, so now I can really just go anywhere with it. So what do y'all think? Tell me what you think about this vehicle. I'm gonna start towing with it. My new schedule is gonna be a little different for fishing, because schedules change from time to time. But instead of some Sunday fishing like I used to, it's gonna be more of some Tuesday, Thursday fishing. So we'll see what we can do. We'll see where we can take it out and see how it does on the water, towing, and we'll see. Let you know. Well guys, welcome back to my channel here at Amateur Fishing Productions, and today's a special day actually. Today I have my truck with me, the one I just got, the Santa Cruz, and it's first time I'm actually pulling the boat right now with the Santa Cruz. So right now it's after work, I'm just leaving work. I brought it to work, just put it in the back, that way I can just, instead of going home and loading it up, I could just go straight to the lake. So we're actually headed to the lake, and I'm just trying to see experience towing what this vehicle is. You know, last week I got the hitch installed. I did it. Now we'll see how it tows, how it feels. This morning it felt pretty normal, you know. You know, of course, it's very different from when you go from Silverado, where you feel absolutely nothing with, let's say, 700 and some pounds in the back being pulled, to a compact, you know, truck. Of course, you're gonna feel a difference, but you know, you don't feel the you don't feel that the truck is struggling. You know, it still gets up to speed good. Yeah, it's still a nice experience. But you know, I'll see you guys at the lake and see if we can do some fishing. Yes. Well, guys, we are back home. Boats put up. Really didn't fish much. You know, it was super windy, and without the trolling motor, nothing I could do. Honestly, it was just way too windy for no trolling motor. But you know, we did get to test out the truck. It drove great. You know, it towed like a normal vehicle. You know. Yes, you could feel the boat. You could kind of feel the boat back there, but it didn't, you know, it didn't really stop you. But yeah, this is the inside view of the little truck. One thing that I do like is right here. Here's this button right there. That's to lock the all-wheel drive. And you do have hill descent. You got auto hold, which I never use. But you also do have this. You'll have two views for your backup camera. But yeah, guys, that's everything for today. You know, it's a little short video, wasn't too bad. But I will see you next time here on Amateur Fishing Productions.